Watch Toys, so y'all. It's another Pokemon opening. They're going to be opening up Scarlet and Violet Journey together. Let's see what we get. Goes the QR code for all who needs it. One to the front. Water. Leaf. Let's see what we get. See if we get anything. Been a while since I found any Pokemon cards, y'all. Another reverse. Another reverse. And did we get anything? No, we didn't get anything, y'all. Well, y'all, with nothing out in there. Maybe next time there will be. If you like what you'll see, subscribe to my channel, please. What's Toys out of here?